Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Work from Home Opportunities. Remember guys, what I promised that I'll be bringing to you are only premium top tiers from home opportunities. Work from home opportunities that you can actually make a living from, not the one of earn $5, you can earn $2, you can earn no. These are opportunities that if you decide I want to start working from home, you can build and you can scale and you can make a living out of it. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, welcome. The episode we are looking at, what we are treating now, is 30 top tiers work from home opportunities. You can check my channel and see the video where I listed out 30 top tiers work from home opportunities that I will be taking one after the other, and this is going to be the second one. I've done the first video talking about virtual assistant, and this is the second one. If you have not seen those videos and you would love to see it, kindly check it out. So today we'll be looking at online tutor. Guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, you are not doing well. Kindly subscribe, turn on your notification button, so as I'll be posting about all these work from home opportunities, you'll be receiving notification and you will come and check it out. The reason why I'm doing this is that I understand the era that we are in now. It is not compulsory for you to be doing that 9 to 5 that you are not convenient to it. So why not just take out some time to learn about work from home opportunities and then check the one that resonates with you. It's not everything you can do, quite alright. I don't advise people to be jumping from one thing to another. You can acquire knowledge. Acquiring knowledge is not bad, but not just staying on one thing and getting something out of it does not really make sense. And then all these make $1, make $2 online, you can't scale with that, right? So what we'll be looking at today is online tutor. Now, becoming an online tutor can be a rewarding way to share your expertise, help others learn, and earn income from the comfort of your home. In my opinion, this is probably one of the easiest ways to earn life-changing income. All boils down to perceived value of what you have to offer and the market for it. If you're a good baker, you can start teaching it in exchange for money. If you're a guitarist, you can start teaching how to play guitar. Whatever thing you really know how to do, you can teach in exchange for money. And this is just so true. While I was actively freelancing on Fiverr, I organized a class around it, charge 15k per person, make quite some good amount of money. If I need any quick cash now, teaching my knowledge will be my go-to. So if you have something people would be interested in, organize a class around it and teach it. Guys, there is a need for us to understand the era we are in now, in the internet space, in the world at large, so we don't miss out. There is nothing you cannot teach in your online space now. Now, for example, let me say a ridiculous something. If you know low cost beans, if you know how to do low cost beans, I'm just using that as an example. If you know how to do low cost beans, you can organize a class around it until you want to teach people how to do low cost beans. It will be a wonder to you that people will register for it. The thing is, you must know your market and you must know how to package what you have. That is one thing that you must know. And I'm going to say this now. I'm trying to learn. Sometimes ago I run away from marketing, and now I come back to learn it because I found out that there is no how anybody can escape marketing unless you're not trying to build anything, unless what you want to do for the rest of your life is just to go to work. Do 9 to 5, even 9 to 5 that you are doing in your place of work. You are doing marketing, but just that it's probably a structured one that somebody has already structured, and then you are just earning peanuts. But if it were to be the one that you want to do yourself, you want to build a structure for yourself you will need to understand marketing. So I have to go back and learn now. I want to learn marketing right now. So if you think you want to build something for yourself and you think market, because posting this with you now, you might be like, where will I see people that I want to teach? Where will I see all those excuses will not be there if you understand marketing. In marketing, you understand how to package whatever you want to sell, and you understand how to market it, right? So if you want to have access to all the things that you need to be able to put yourself out there, to put whatever knowledge you want to, how to package your knowledge and sell it, you can DM. You will find my contact somewhere in this channel. You can come into my DM and tell me you want to do that, and I'm going to be sharing a course with you. The cost is cheap and very, very effective. I'm not going to tell you you're going to have it for free, but it's quite cheap. It's cheap and it's of value. So let's continue, guys. Steps to become an online tutor. If you want to become an online tutor, what are the steps that you need? The first thing is you have to identify your expertise. You need to know what you want to teach. Now, this online tutoring is divided into two. There's a part of you packaging your knowledge. I mean, whatever, even if it's water, how to drink water, it's going to be. It's quite funny that there is nothing you cannot actually teach online, right? If you are whatever it is that you have, maybe you have learned before, you can package it and teach people, right? There's a part that if you are an educator, you can also teach people subjects online. There's that part. There are online tutoring platform. You can go find that. You can go to Google, search online tutoring platform. They will bring out a lot. Example is Tutor. They will bring out a lot of them for you. So number one thing is identify your expertise. Determine the subjects or topics you are knowledgeable about and passionate about teaching. This could be academic subjects, e.g., math, science, language, and all that. It might be test preparation. This and all that. It might also be test preparation, SAT, ACT, GRE, and all that. Then creative skills, language learning, music, coding, or any skill or subject. Any and anything at all. Maybe that you understand a particular language and you want to teach people. There is nothing that you cannot teach. I keep repeating that. Number two is assess your qualifications. Consider your qualifications and experience in the subject area you want to tutor. This could include formal education, relevant degrees or certifications, teaching experience, tutoring experience, or professional expertise. Now, this number two is majorly for people that probably want to teach a professional courses. Or if it were to be that you want to just teach your knowledge, you don't even need any qualifications, right? But assuming you want to teach SAT now, you might need to have some qualifications, and it's also very important that you just have some certifications, not just degree and all that. There are a lot of certifications that you can have on even Google is offering free courses, so you can go ahead and do free courses and have certifications of some things. But if you're actually teaching your knowledge, you're packing your knowledge, maybe you are teaching something like how to sell food out, whatever it is, you don't even need any qualifications, right? So number three is choose your target audience. Not those that you want to teach. This is quite important. Who are those that you want to teach? Now, for example, now, if you want to teach how to bake, then you have to go with people that have interest in baking, right? If you want to teach English, then go look for students that needs English. You have to understand, choose your target audience. Decide who you want to tutor. You may choose to work with K-12 students, college students, adult learners, or professionals seeking to develop new skills or advance their careers. Consider the age, grade level, proficiency level, and specific needs of your target audience. This is highly important as you need to know their needs to tailor your course to meet those. That is very, very important, right? It's very important. Number 4, create a profile. If you want to be a subject tutor, create a compelling profile on online tutoring platform you choose. You can decide to just stick with social media platform. Highlight your qualifications, expertise, teaching, philosophy, and availability. Upload a professional photo, write a detailed bio, and include any relevant credentials or certifications to attract potential students. Now, this is very, very important. You need to know how to position yourself in the time that we are in now. And I think this is one thing that many people run away from, and I don't think you should run away from it unless you don't want to be a man of yourself. If you are going to be a man of yourself, you should learn how to position yourself well. Because many of these work from home opportunities, they are mental work. I think that's the reason why people they keep looking for junks all around, and that junks is not going to satisfy them. I will advise you that you pay attention to yourself and then try to build yourself to somebody presentable, right? Anyway, if you are not good with social media, how to use it in the best way, or how you can create written or video content to reach your target audience, I have a course that will help you do that by teaching you from scratch all you need. You'll find it in the description button. One thing about social media is that you must understand how to put out content. It's when you begin to put out content that relates with what you offer that you will attract those people that you will attract your audience, right? Content creation is very, very important in online tutoring. Very, very, very important, because you want to teach people, right? And you have to attract those people that you want to teach. And before they can come to you, that means you have to be creating a content that they find relatable. Now, the fifth one is set your rate. I mean, determine what your tutoring rate is going to be. Set on whatever it is that you. I've seen people teach how to do pop off. I mean, how to do small snacks, and they are teaching it like 1,000 naira per class per head. But then they are able to. They know how to market their thing. You can imagine even holding a class where you are teaching for 1,000 naira, and you have about 100 students every month. That's 100,000 naira every month, right? And you can do more, right? So the sixth one is promote your service. Very, very important. You have to promote your service, then you get feedback. You get feedback. Now, I understand that all these things requires a level of expertise of how to know do it. And that's why I keep saying things, I'll keep saying this, and I'm going to say it again, that working online also requires a level of expertise. It requires a level of professionalism. In fact, it requires your mental activeness. I mean, you have to be very, very mentally active. Your mind has to be sound if you actually want to build anything scalable in the online space, right? Just that I just love the idea of being my own space, being my own boss, not being under somebody. I love the idea of waking up in the morning and like, okay, these are the things that I want to do today. I want to go reach out to this client. I want to work for this client. I want to complete this. I mean, I just love that idea. I don't know about you, but if you're actually looking to build yourself up and to make a living in your life space, not being toast to and fro in your 9 to 5 and being paid peanuts, then I will advise you that you pay attention to work from home opportunities that are going to be helping you. So, in conclusion, now becoming an accomplished online tutor is a rewarding journey that requires dedication, expertise, and a genuine passion for helping others succeed. Do you see that now? When you are working for yourself, assuming, let me just use an example of having a company. If you have a physical company, the essence of that physical company is that you want to meet the needs of people, and in exchange, money is going to be entering your pocket because you are meeting the needs of people, and that's the way the world works. It has to be that you are helping some other people for you to be having money. That is the way money works. So you must have interest in seeing other people succeed. It must be your source of making money must be from helping others, right? Because let's say you want to package your knowledge on how to bake a cake now, you are impacting knowledge in that person. That person did not know how to bake a cake. You are impacting that person's knowledge. Once you are done teaching the person now know how to bake cake, and the person can go ahead and bake cake and make some money. So that is the way it works. So when you want to start doing this, you don't see yourself as if, oh, I'm not doing something. You see yourself as helping people, and in exchange they are paying you for helping them. It's as simple as that, right? While I was teaching, was one of my students that commented using like, after she went through my mentorship on Fiverr, she has made a lot of money. I mean, she has made quite a lot of money, and she was actually telling me that she's going to take another course that I introduced. And she was like, okay, if she took that my mentorship and she made this money, then she wouldn't mind to take another course that I'm introducing to her. It's as simple as that. While you are teaching people your knowledge, you are helping them because you're helping them to make money. And that's why I have issue with people that think that they want to have things for free. You shouldn't think of having things for free, and you should not also give information for free. You might give them a huge discount but not teaching them for free, right? So by following the steps outlined earlier, selecting your target audience, crafting a compelling profile, setting your rates, actively promoting your service, and continuously getting feedback, because it is feedback from people that will make other people to trust you and all that. So you can establish yourself as a trusted and effective educational partner. With your unwavering commitment and the right strategies in place, you will be well on your way to building a thriving online tutoring business that positively impact the lives of your students and provide you with a fulfilling career in the dynamic field of digital education. And that's going to be the end of this one, online tutoring. Guys, what I'm bringing to you is top tier work from home opportunities. Like I've mentioned, and I'm going to say it again, I'm talking about online businesses that you can build and you can scale. So if you know that you are not ready to build and scale your business, don't even go near this one. You can go near make $1, make $2 here and there. But if you actually want to make a living and quite a cool one, you can make sure you are following me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is episode 2 of the 30. So we are just this is just 2 out of 30, right? So refer my channel to your friends and family. Share this. So make sure you are sharing this with your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to also know the businesses they can build in the online space. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.